Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be filming a holiday party Christmas card inspired look, and it's just the simple gold kind of smoky eye. It's just a little bit darker on the outer portion of my eye because I wanted it to give the uplifting, like, again, I'm obsessed with like the sultry effect on the outer portion of my eye, and I just wanted the inside very bright because this is a holiday season where everyone's merry and everything's bright and lit up with lights. So yeah, I just wanted to keep it very like bright on the inside but still, you know, dark, sexy on the outside. And yeah, I just thought the red lip obviously made it. It's Christmas, why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. So today for primer, I'll be using the Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. These are just one of the things that gets lost inside of your makeup collection, and yeah, I just needed to find its way back because this, I forgot, using this as a primer and like moisturizing skincare prior to actually applying makeup, it leaves your face so nice, refreshing. Like, it also gives it the tacky feeling that primer does. Next, I'll be applying the Hourglass foundation stick. So with this, I just put a few streaks on my face and then blend it in with a brush. So this used to be my go-to foundation for a very long time, and then I was just trying to branch out, try other ones, but this has not left my makeup collection for, I would say, since it came out, or like 2 years ago. No, over 2 years ago. This foundation, I would say it's medium coverage, but it's buildable. Also, this is in the shade Warm Honey. Next, I'll be taking the Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to put a little on the spots that I normally highlight my face. So under my eyes, forehead, nose, chin. So I feel like with this applicator, you kind of have to use a lot. And that's going to waste the product a lot more because, as you can see, the first layer for under my eyes, it's kind of transparent still. And if I really wanted it to be full coverage, I would have to add a little bit more. Okay, it actually blends out very nicely though. And it did a decent job of covering up my dark circles. Okay, honestly, I don't mind it at all. Like, I already have natural creases under my eyes, and this doesn't enhance it at all. If anything, it makes it looks pretty good. Okay, this step is the same step in all of my makeup routines so far, so I'm just gonna speed through this and be right back. Okay, next I'm gonna take my Born This Way translucent powder. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my Morphe sponge and bake under my, well, first I'm gonna press it under my eyes. So the thing I do like about this powder, more than the Laura Mercier translucent powder, is that it has like a nice banana color to it. So it looks more natural in my eyes, but I've had horror stories with this. I don't know what I did last time that made it so bad, but it had very bad flashback for me. I've used it after that and it didn't have that flashback, so I don't know, kind of confused. I only used her cheap tape under it, so now I'm using the Born This Way concealer, hoping that it actually does not cause flashback, because if I have flashback in my pictures, my Christmas holiday card pictures, I'm going to be very upset. But what I think I did wrong was, in my last video I showed you guys like the Benefit Pressed Powder Foundation. I used to only set the concealer with this powder, so I would set here, under my eyes, my chin, anywhere that I put concealer on, and then the rest of my face I would apply that powder. So I don't know if those two just didn't mix well, and that's why it caused like my under eyes to look a different color than my actual face, because after I didn't do that and it worked fine for me, but I'm praying that it doesn't do that again. So yeah, now I'm just gonna press this powder into all of my face. Okay, so I didn't realize I'm using a lot of Too Faced products in this video, but this time I'm going to take the Chocolate Soleil, but it's not the actual one, it's like chocolate gold. So it has a little bit of like shimmer and shine in it, but this is what the pan looks like. So I'm going to use this just to bronze up and contour my face a bit. It smells so good. That's one thing I love about Too Faced products. Their powdered products always smell so good. It smells just like chocolate. And I'm not even a big chocolate person, but I think chocolate smells so good. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, the original Chocolate Soleil that doesn't have that shimmer in it. The shimmer I just wanted on my cheeks to like brighten it up for my pictures. But this one I'm gonna contour my nose with it, and I didn't want like the shimmer on my nose. It wouldn't have looked good, so. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Born This Way powder again and just place it on the sides of my nose. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my California blush. I'm sorry guys, I mean, as you can tell in this video, I'm trying to switch up all the products that I've been using so I don't just keep all my videos the same and very repetitive, but blush is very crucial to me. I love blush, and if I put on a blush that I know or I don't know that I'm not gonna like, and I mess up my entire face makeup, I'm gonna be so upset. So I'm just gonna go with what I know. If anyone knows another blush that's similar finish, color to this, or just one that's better in your opinion, let me know in the comments below, please. I'd love to try it out. Okay, now I mean, this palette is kind of shot, but I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm gonna take this shade Dripping in Gold, so this one down here. And then I'm gonna take that shade on like a denser brush and highlight my nose. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a brush and brush the powder off of my nose. Okay, so now since I've used a lot of powder on my face, I'm gonna take the Morphe setting spray. This one is just like their prettier packaging, I guess you can say. That's why I bought it. Honestly, it's the same thing though. And just spray my face with it to let those powders sink in. Okay, wait. Oh, hold on, I'm shook. This is not the same. This has such a better applicator. This has such a better like spritzer push button thing. I don't know what it's called, but this part right here allows the mist to really shoot out and into your face. Like, look at this. Can you see it? I'm shook. Like, look at this. And look at this. They did right with this. Because with this one, I always thought, like, even though there's the Jeffree Star one, the original one as well, I always thought I couldn't really feel it on my face when I was spraying it, but that one, that was a first impression real reaction. I'm so impressed. I'm obsessed with that, and now I want to go back and buy more. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. So now we're gonna go into the eyes. I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance, the classic Modern Renaissance. I want to say this was honestly like one of my very first higher end palettes because everyone raved about it, and then when I saw it in person and like did all the swatches for myself, I couldn't get enough of it. I just think it's your perfect like warm golden, and then you have some pinks in there. That type of palette, this is like your perfect go-to palette. So there's gonna be like a very simple golden kind of smoky eye look. It's not gonna be too intense, too dramatic, because I'm gonna do a red lip later and I want that to be like the pop of the whole thing. Also, very sorry for the way the inside of this looks. Told you I've had it for a very long time. So the first shade I'm gonna be taking is Burnt Orange. So I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush and blend it into my crease. Okay, next I'm gonna take the shade Primavera. First I'm gonna take my ring finger and pat it onto my eye. Now I'm gonna spray my flat brush and then pack on some more of that color. I can't get over that spray. It's so good. Okay, the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Cyrus Umber. It's gonna be a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna pack it in right here on just the outer portion of my eye. And yeah, I know it looks crazy, but I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush again, the first one that I used, and blend it all out. So I only put it on the outer portions of my eyes so that my eyes don't look very dark. I want to keep the inner portion very bright because, I mean, again, it is Christmas. It's like the season of lights and being bright and merry. And yeah, I didn't want just like very dark smoky. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that same color again and then just put it on the outer V of my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Urban Decay. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is, but it's by Urban Decay. It's the shade Space Cowboy. It's like a little individual. I would say that this is like a topper because it's not like an actual eyeshadow. It's mainly glitter. I'm just gonna put some on my finger and tap it all over my eye, mainly on the inner portion. I do see how pretty that just made it. I like the little specks of glitter. I'm obsessed with this. It's not hard to use either. It's not hard, it's not messy. Just gives it a little something. So now I'm gonna take the dark brown shade again, Cyrus Umber, and put it on the outer portion of my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna spray my brush one more time, go into Primavera, and put it on the inner portion of my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Space Cowboy again by Urban Decay, and then just use my finger to pat it on. Now I'm gonna go back into the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills and use the same color that I used to highlight, Dripping in Gold, to highlight the inner corner. So I also went into the shade Bubbly that's sitting right next to it because that one wasn't bright enough for me. So now I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Dagger eyeliner. This one is the one just with the felt tip. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fully use this though because I'm not a huge fan of it, but I need to buy more eyeliner, so this is what we're stuck with right now. But this tip, it's very flimsy. It has a very flimsy point, so because it's so flimsy, it makes it hard to do like a perfect wing eyeliner, but we're gonna give it a go again. So now I'm gonna apply lashes. These are the Ardel lashes, the faux mink demi wispies, and I'm just gonna apply them on the outer portion of my eye. So I cut them, they stop about like right here. I didn't want them to go all the way across because I just want my whole outer eye to be very accentuated for this look. So a good tip to do when you're using a pair of lashes that you've already done, take a pair of tweezers and just go along the lash band and peel off the old glue. It'll make it so much easier to apply, in my opinion at least. See, this is why I hate this eyeliner. I love it because of how, okay, so that eyeliner, I had to resort to the Sephora one, but this is exactly why I hate the Sephora eyeliner, because it waters so bad. Like, what? It just messed up my whole, like, inner part of my eye. That's so annoying. It's one of my pet peeves. Please, look what happened to everything. Because black had to get in it. Okay, so you see how it just gives it like the little uplifting effect on the outer portion of my eye? That's all I want. And while the other lash gets tacky, like the glue on it, I'm gonna apply this mascara. By the way, the past 2 videos I've made, I haven't said the name of this mascara. It's the BADgal Bang mascara, and I'm obsessed with it. Go buy it, go try it out yourself. Not sponsored, wish it was sponsored, but no, it's not sponsored. And yeah, I just genuinely love this mascara. Okay, so a good trick that I also like to do whenever I apply my mascara after my lashes, and if I think it looks too clumpy in like one area, or even if you just apply mascara without lashes and it looks too clumpy, take a plain spoolie that like will come with an eyebrow pencil or whatever and just brush through them. It'll separate it and looks so nice. The reason why I took a plain spoolie, well, plain meaning like nothing on, is because if you keep using the same spoolie that comes with the mascara, you're just gonna keep applying more mascara. So yeah, that's why I take a clean one, so that I'm not applying more, making it more clumpy. I'm just trying to like spread out and distribute the product that I already applied onto my eyelashes. So now I'm not gonna forget this time. I'm going to do bottom mascara. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this lip liner. It's the Carli Bybel Il Makiage one, and it's in the shade Ablaze. It's the red one, and I'm just gonna line my lips. And then I'm gonna take the Carli Bybel Il Makiage red lip shade in Venus and just finish shading in my lips. And I'm gonna take the Morphe setting spray and just spray my face. Okay guys, so this is my final look for today's video. A Christmas picture, holiday inspired look. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy, just give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you next week. Bye!